What are you up to, little man? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? What else? What else? Austin is so big. Austin is so big. Austin is so big. Oh. Good job. Bravo. Good job. Oh, you bowing? You want to get out of your chair, huh? Okay. Oh, don't poke yourself in the eye now. Don't poke yourself in the eye with that, okay? Can we take that away now? Yeah, because we're done here. You finished. Yeah, I finished all your lunch. And now we can go play. We'll play for a little while before your afternoon nap. Right? But first, Austin is so big. So big. Yeah, so big. Oh. Bravo, bravo, bravissimo. Yeah. That's right. Bravo, bravo, bravissimo. Close, open. Close, open. Close, open. Close, open. Close, open. Is that fun? That's funny, huh? Okay. Say hello, everybody. Hello. Bravo. Are you gonna pray? Ah, we're gonna learn that too, aren't we? Yeah. So big. Oh, you're cute, Austin. Oh, are you sleepy? I think you're kind of sleepy and you were trying to hide it there. You wanted to rub your eyes. Yeah. Yeah, bravo. Bravo. Bravo, baby. Bravo. 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 Yeah, it's exciting. Bravo. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Isn't that great? That's so great. Okay. My wonderful man. How about we put you down and you can play some? What's so funny? You're laughing by yourself. What are you laughing by yourself for? Huh? If you're gonna laugh, then I'm gonna tickle you. If you wanna laugh, then I can tickle you, you know. Yeah. Ah, gotta tickle these legs. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle. Uh-oh, your shoes are coming off. Uh-oh, shoes are coming off. I want to tickle your feet. tickle your feet? Ah! Tickle, tickle! Tickle, tickle! Okay, next one. Tickle, tickle! Tickle, tickle! Oh my goodness, it's a tickle attack. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I know. Oh, uh-oh. Did I see you try to take your sock off? If you're going to take your sock off, then I'm not going to stop you. Oh, now we really got something to tickle. Yes, we do. Ah. So squishy. Okay, let me have that back. 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 You're a crazy boy. Crazy boy. It's always nice to have a happy boy. You know what? You're always happy after we eat. Yeah. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.